First, you want to recall how to write an ordered pair for each given point. So if I'm trying to find an ordered pair for M is located, remember, starting at the origin. We're going to count left or right. So we're going to go to the right until the number 7, and then we go up or down. So then we go down 2. So my ordered pair would be 7, -2. So take a minute, write the ordered pair for each given point, and then press play to see if you got your answers correct. You may pause your video now. So the correct ordered pair for Q is -2, 6. The correct ordered pair for Z is -3, 2. And the correct ordered pair for I is 8, 8. So now we are getting into a unit where we can actually represent all the possible solutions of an equation by graphing it on a coordinate plane. One of the ways to graph a linear equation is to create a table of values. So y equals x plus 3 will be a linear equation, and it's called a linear equation because it will form a straight line. So first you get to pick any values for x. In these examples, I selected the x variables that you could choose, but you can actually choose any x's. It will be wise to choose small numbers. So then what you're going to do is you're going to replace x with the number given and then into your equation. So we have x plus 3. So instead of x, I'm going to put -2 plus 3, -1 plus 3, 0 plus 3, 1 plus 3, and 2 plus 3. And then you're just going to use your order of operations to actually evaluate this. So -2 plus 3 is 1. -1 plus 3 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. Which means that our ordered pair will be the actual x value that we selected, which was -2. And the y will be the one number we just calculated, which is 1. So the x, -1, 2. The x was 0. The y was 3. The x was -1. +1. The y was 4. And the x was 2. The y was 5. And now you're going to plot the points. So -2, 1, -1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. And then you want to connect the dots to form a line. If you were doing this on paper, it would be useful to have something straight to create the straight line. If you're using some sort of software online, such as Edge Elastic, then you probably just need 2 points and it will graph it for you. Now you try. You should take a moment, solve for the table of values, and then if you have access to graph paper, you should graph this line. See if you can do this. Pause your video, then when you are ready, press play to see if you got your answer correct. You may pause your video now. After you plug in the x's into your equation, you should end up with y equal to 7, 5, 3, 1, and -1. And then you can plot the ordered pair to create that line. You may notice that after a while, there's a certain pattern where the numbers are either increasing or decreasing by a certain number. That's actually a special thing that we're going to discuss in a later lesson.